What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Ben again here. You guys can see we pretty much cleared out the entire house. I was gonna film it, but I kind of want to enjoy the time because we had some friends come and kind of help us pack up and move some stuff up to Cleveland for storage. Today we did get a bit of snow outside, so we're gonna take the Jeep for one last ride in the snow. We're also gonna go to the camera store. I think I'm gonna upgrade my camera here. I like this camera. I have a G7X. It's nice, small, compact, but I have crud kind of all over the lens, so that's why when you see like, maybe not now, but in the light there's like speckles all over it. I think it's like clear coat from when we painted my fenders the first time. And it's nice to have that little flip up screen, but we're gonna upgrade there a little bit because I want something a little more substantial that I could use to take photos when we're out west and hiking, and you know, just it's always good to upgrade the camera every once in a while. So yeah, we're gonna look out the back here. Oh, that's blown out. Okay, there we go. Have some snow on the Jeep, so we're just gonna go ahead, clear that off, get her warmed up, and then take her on probably what is going to be her final voyage here with us in Ohio. That's the beauty of not having a remote start, is I actually have to go out, put my hand on the clutch, and then hit the start button, which is really not all that awful because I'm outside taking the dog out most of the time anyway. But man, having a remote start would be kind of nice. But while we're waiting for the Jeep to warm up, I just want to tell you guys, I did start a new channel. There's nothing on it right now, but I want to get your guys' opinion on continuing to upload on this channel under Ben Anton, or like I said, I did make another channel for Hallie and I. Now, the channel we have together is going to be more kind of like, I guess, vlog style, where it's going to be a little bit more about us moving to Seattle. Really, it's going to be more of like an update to show people, like our families and stuff, to see what we're up to in Seattle, hikes, what we're doing around the city, stuff like that. That's why I kind of like that channel purpose. But because I won't have a Jeep, would you guys mind if, you know, I keep uploading? Obviously we're gonna do the road trip on this channel as well, but I'm gonna keep uploading some content here by myself as well. So if you guys are interested, I will link the new channel below. Like I said, there's no content on there now, but it would be awesome to have a couple subscribers before we get out to Seattle and start making some videos. That way we can get some comments and some likes and some activity going to try and work with that damn YouTube algorithm, because we all know YouTube it's a whole different monster. So yeah, like I said, leave some comments below, let me know what you guys think, and either way, we're gonna be uploading to this channel as well, especially in the foreseeable future. So yeah, I think once I get out there, I have my eye on some stuff, but I just have to work out a few other details, so it might continue to be an automotive page, if you will, or YouTube channel. So if you guys want to see more of Hallie and I together and our dog Oliver, then yeah, go ahead and check out that channel. It would mean the world to us, and we will try our best to post on there as frequently as possible. Oh man, looking at this Jeep, I'm like, I really don't want to freaking get rid of it. It's like, all it really needs is a winch and the 2 fog lights, and then there's like spots on the back for like rear reverse lights or fog lights, but I never really intended to fill those anyway. But other than that, this Jeep's like, it's pretty perfect for me. I'm really gonna miss it. Also, is quite funny that the last place I take the Jeep is the mall. All right, so we made it here to Midwest Photo in Columbus. So hopefully the next clip you see, we will be on a different camera, and hopefully you guys will be able to notice a difference. And of course, hopefully it's just a little bit better for everybody. All right, so I just spent about an hour in the Midwest Photo showroom talking to Taylor. Guys, if you are in the Columbus area, come to Midwest Photo. These guys are so nice, local place. They are very, very knowledgeable about anything camera gear, because like I said, I was asking him tons of questions. That's why I spent so long in there. And the reason I'm actually recording this on my phone, so sorry about like the bad audio quality or the bad video quality. I'm not 100% sure how good this is gonna turn out because my new camera is charging. So hopefully the next clip you see will be the new camera. So hopefully we're gonna step this channel up a notch here. It's gonna be really, really nice. But like I said, Midwest Photo, make sure you guys talk to Taylor. He's amazing, and like I said, answered all the questions I could have needed. So If you're in Columbus, check out Midwestern Photo. Also, look at this cute little Jeep that parked next to me. Aww. All right, first video on the new camera. Hopefully it's crystal clear and the audio is okay for now. I have to get this thing a microphone eventually, but for right now, I think we're gonna like this a lot. So this is gonna be a little sad moment here, but we're gonna take the last look, a last walk around the Jeep here. Good old MoneyPit. One last look. We're actually gonna take her to get sold right now, so. Ah, a little bittersweet moment. I really, really wish I could take this thing out to Seattle. Again, I could, but it just financially does not make any sense. Like I said, $250 to park at the apartment complex downtown. And I'm just like, it's really not worth it. And I freaking love this Jeep, guys. Oh, it's so sad to see it go. This is gonna be like a farewell, but also like a, you know, I don't feel too bad. I'm gonna like miss the Jeep a lot, but I don't feel too bad because I know that like all things kind of have to transition and you have to move on, and we're gonna move on to bigger and better things. And it's a little bittersweet, you know. It's like I built this the way I wanted. It only needs a couple more things, but life goes on, you know, and that's just the way it is. So I don't really like to get caught up on material things. So hopefully this is a good lesson for anybody that has you know, the newest, the best, always has to be the top. You know, it's not all about things, you know, it's all about experiences. And you know, this was a great experience to own this Jeep. 32,387 beautiful miles we've put on her, and she's been great. So time to move on into something else. All right, here we are. We made it. We are at Crown Kia in Columbus. Sorry, Crown Kia. We are at Crown Chrysler here in Columbus. If you guys know, obviously I bought my Jeep from a dealership. That was over in Marysville. It was Coghlan. Coghlan's where I bought it. The sales manager there, absolutely awesome. We're actually going to see him here in just a minute. He actually works at Chrysler Crown Chrysler now, but shout out to Randy. You've been awesome. Oh, well, let's get to it. Nothing like the present, right? I also have to get used to looking at the lens because now my instead of the little flip screen being up on top, so it kind of looks like I'm looking at it, I'm now over here, so I'm like, keep looking over here. So if that's why, it's because I have to get used to looking at the lens. But before we go in, let's take one last walk around. Good old MoneyPit. I sure am gonna miss this freaking Jeep. It looks so good. Well, we are all set. Randy's catching up with Hal, but you can see she's not ours anymore, guys. So on to the next adventure. Hey, we'll have a space for you if you want to come visit.
Yeah. Good, I appreciate that. If you want to come out, let us know.
Especially if you want to drive my new Jeep out that way.
See, just do a delivery.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that. Like I said, I'll holler at you as soon as I get the check.
For sure.
And it'll be a little while.
Yeah.
Flip the title, make sure to get the title back in our name.
Yep.
I would say 7-15 days.
Okay.
I'll just text you. You text me the address you want me to send it to, and I'll FedEx it.
Perfect.
So, and I'll FedEx it her attention. So.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah. So it's gonna go anyway.
I know how that works.
Yeah. See you, Randy.
Guys, have a safe trip.
Thank you. Thanks for everything. See ya. Oh yeah, he's the best car salesman ever.
They're gonna take your logos off and everything?
Yeah, they're gonna. That's how dealerships do it. They're gonna take the stickers off.
You need your plates?
No, he said he's take the plates off. There she goes.
One last.
Don't wave. You don't have to wave.
Alright.
Are you sad too or no?
Yeah. I shall. Ooh, my brights are on. That was piercing. Well, I'm gonna miss Baby Jeep.
If you guys are in the Columbus area and you're looking for a Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, come to Crown in Dublin. You talk to Randy, tell him I sent you. He'll give you, literally, he's the best salesman. Actually, he's a sales manager. He's the best sales manager I've ever dealt with at a car dealership. He's straightforward. He knows everything about cars. We just literally like shot the shit about cars that we used to have for like 10-15 minutes, but he won't steer you wrong. He's literally the best that I've ever had. Get like all their tax breaks and shit. Alright, so that's gonna be it from us today. We're in our little nest sitting on the ground because we don't have any furniture in the house anymore besides what we're taking to Seattle. But yeah, I'll probably make another video talking about why I sold the Jeep, get a little bit more in depth in that. And I guess people were commenting and asking me why I was selling it to a dealership as opposed to trying to sell it outright. Obviously I could have made more money, but we were kind of on a time crunch. But I'll tell you guys about how much I got back from selling it, how much money I lost with all the aftermarket parts, and if I came out on top or not. So that's going to be it for me today, guys, and I hope to catch you in the next video. The next one will be, it should be the actual first travel video, unless again I make the video about the Jeep, the one last video about the Jeep, but we should be traveling next time you see us. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and leave a comment below, help us out with the YouTube algorithm, and I'll leave a I'll leave a link below to the new channel that I created, and let me know what you guys think about that idea. So if you could, like I said, leave a comment below, really helps out the algorithm. Leave this video a big thumbs up, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.